Hello, Central Road students. It's Mrs. Van Winkle, your principal. Today I'd like to share the PBIS data with you. Here at Central Road, we have 3 rules. We keep it really simple. The WOLF rules are to be respectful, responsible, and safe. This week, all of our in-person learners returned to virtual learning. We also have several students at Central Road who are currently in virtual classrooms. Today, I'd like to review the expectations that relate to our 3 rules with you in regards to virtual learning. First, it's important to be responsible. Being responsible means that you are logging on to your Google meeting every day at 8:45 and that you will continue to participate in all of your core subject areas and specials areas at the time that relates to your schedule. It's important that if your teacher asks you to complete an activity and return to a Google meeting, that you do so. You have to be responsible and make sure that you are paying attention to the time. We also want all of our students to be responsible and make sure that you're completing the work that your teachers have assigned for you. These assignments are very important because they practice the skills that you were taught in class. In our virtual classrooms, we also expect everyone to be respectful. Being respectful means that you are kind, that you treat others the same way that you expect to be treated. That's the golden rule. When you log into your virtual classrooms, it's important that you log in and then mute yourself. Students need to be able to focus on the teacher's instruction, and that is best done when there's no background noise. If you'd like to say something in class, please be respectful and follow your classroom teacher's procedures. Sometimes that means raising your hand. Other times the teachers will ask you to show them another visual cue so that they know that you want to speak. We do ask that everyone keeps their computers on mute unless it's your turn. The second thing with being respectful in a virtual classroom is we want to be sure that we're using the chat appropriately. The chat is a tool to enhance your learning experience. It is not a tool that should be used to distract other learners or a tool that should be used to be inappropriate. If that does happen, we'll have to take away that chat feature for you. And we really want to make sure that everyone can get the help that they need. So please be respectful and use the chat appropriately. Finally, we want to make sure that everyone is safe when they're online. Your teachers have reviewed the expectations of online safety with you. Be sure to only go to websites that are approved by your classroom teacher. Let's take a look at our data for the month of October. Our goal here at Central Road is to make sure that 95% of our students are without a major. I'm happy to report that for the month of October, we only had 5 majors. That was an increase from last month, where in September we only had 3 majors. However, we still had 99% of the students at Central Road without a major. And for that, I am so proud of each and every one of you. Great job. Let's take a look at the reasons for the major. We had 1 major for physical aggression. Remember, for in-person learning, it's important that we're always social distancing and staying at least 6 feet away from another person. We had 1 major for defiance. That means that a student was not following their teacher's directions intentionally. Your teachers want the best for you. Every educator wants to make sure that you have the opportunity to get an excellent education. And anything that is asked of you is something to better your future. So please follow the directions of your teacher. And then we had 3 majors for technology. That means that students were not using their Chromebooks appropriately. Remember, your Chromebook is a tool to help you with your education, especially this year under the current pandemic. So make sure that you're using your Chromebook appropriately. Let's take a look at the grade level referrals. Kindergarten had 0 referrals. Way to go, kindergartners. First graders had 1 referral. Second graders had 0 referrals. Way to go, second graders. Third grade had 2 referrals. Fourth grade had 1 referral. Fifth graders had 0 referrals. Way to go, fifth graders. And sixth graders had 0 referrals. Nice job, sixth graders. I am so proud of you. Let's take a look at the location for the referrals. We had 4 referrals in the classroom. That could have been an in-person classroom or a virtual classroom. Be sure to follow the expectations here at Central Road. Your classroom is a place for learning. And we had 1 referral on the bus. Remember, the bus is a place where we are transporting you to and from school, and you're only on the bus for about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's important that you're following the expectations for such a short period of time. Finally, I am happy to report to you that our PBIS team decided that the students at Central Road deserved some time on fun electronics. I know many of you have them at home, and your teachers will share a time where it's appropriate for you to use them this Friday, November 20th. So enjoy. Boys and girls, I know that each and every one of you can be respectful, responsible, and safe. Make it a great day and follow the Central Road expectations. Bye-bye.